Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, I haven't taken something out of the box in a while, so here we are. USB cord. The unit. Oh, I'm gonna have to zoom in so you can see this good. Here's the instructions. There we go. Yeah. Oh, the grammar on the box. Oh, High Temple Martian translated into English by a Chinese guy who doesn't speak either of the other two languages. Oh, I'm sorry. That was another episode's prop falling on the floor. Okay. As you see, it's small. Here's a touchpad and various keys. Here's the back.
Slide it open.
We got a little thing to stick in the USB port on your computer. A lithium-ion battery. A lot like this one. It fits. I didn't say it was the first time I took it out the box. Anyway, lithium-ion battery. Should have a lot of life to it, right? Now here's what happens when
Lights up. Red.
What happened? This, I think you could use it corded, but this is a pretty short cord, pretty much just for charging. And they say, charge it fully before you use it. I've used it on my Vista piece of crap machine. And it works. But then, so does the system we use to elect federal officers. It works.